Hey, get up.
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady.
Mm.
Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Dodging or quacking?
Quacking.
Dad!
See? The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
I'll ask the
I'll
little
see
girl.
what the girl would like.
Ah, gotta consult the missus. I understand. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On a tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
All right, let me talk to Clem.
You having a nice time with Katya, Clementine?
Yeah, that's good.
Hey there, girls. You two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
Oh, how was that?
It's easy. Oh,
Well,
that's good.
yeah. So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days.
Yeah.
It's peaceful here, no?
So, what do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale. Like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like this.
Oh, definitely not.
Yeah, my mistake.
We'll all be home soon.
How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people. Over some, just...
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow. But even then, I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
No.
Anybody in their right mind would. Families and barbecues and beers with good friends.
All of those things.
Those are the things we live for, right? With those gone, what's the point? Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
It's not the most reliable pickup in the world, but it gets the job done.
Oh, I bet.
Hey there, Kenny. How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Katya's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
So what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've got a boat.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
Need any help?
Need any help?
No, I think I got it.
All
You
right.
need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I wish I knew what I was doing.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
At least you're honest. Shit. Better than I was when Duck showed up. You'll figure it out.
See ya.
Let's go look at the tractor.
You know how to drive it?
Sure don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
How you doing, Duck?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
As someone who's a caregiver, I could tell how wrong that is, but
Hey, Lee.
I need a hand.
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up. My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
You gotta do what you can to survive.
Like put a gun to that kid's head and pull the trigger? Fuck that, man. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
No.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh, I bashed a poor girl's brains in.
Whoa. I couldn't do that. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
My brother and parents are in Macon. I hope.
Oh man, I hope so too. Maybe it's not too bad there. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
All right. That sucks. He's not gonna forget that I bashed a poor girl's
Sean,
brains in.
Thanks again for the ride.
No problem, Lee. Couldn't leave you behind. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Yeah, let's go help him out.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a ride.
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well,
Stick to the
you're
story.
no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Huh. Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters.
Right?
You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
And make him.
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it?
I
You
love-
just stumbled up on her?
I love that I keep going.
I was being attacked and she came to my rescue.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
Yeah. Oh no. What the heck?
Go! I'll get my gun!
Oh no. What the heck's going on? What the heck's going on? What the heck? Oh, he's gonna run over by the tractor. There's some zones. Oh no. Oh. Kid first. Kid first. And then the big guy because let's hope the fence holds. Let's hope the fence holds.
I got you.
We're almost through!
Now, Sean!
Get this tractor
Oh
off
no.
of me! Please, help me!
What the
Please!
fuck? No. Ah. Oh, they're just fun as kid. Holy shit. That's not good.
Get out.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's not stand around.
Fuck out of here!
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Sorry.
Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry.
Mm-hmm.
And you didn't even try to help.
I thought I could help them both.
You thought wrong.
Yeah.
And now? Please, just go. Get out and never come back.
Dang.
You've got that ride to Macon if you want it.
Thank you. Sorry about that. There was... I honestly thought I could help both of them. Dang. Fudge nutters.
Well, this is as far as we're going.
And it's far enough.
Mm-hmm.
Look!
Hey there. You friendly? Truck's run out of gas.
That's not a friendly. Definitely not a friendly.
We're trapped! Ah! Ah! No!
Oh no.
Run!
We can't take risks like this. And we
Definitely.
can't just let people die, either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. They could be dangerous.
Worse, they could have let them right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity? They would have died out there.
Then we let them.
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
What the fuck?
What is it?
I have to pee.
Okay, you can go.
I'd go
no
out there
worries.
again in a
Just
second.
Then just go.
They've got kids, Lily.
go.
Those things outside don't
That's
care.
not good.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
She's not wrong. They took a risk.
Yes, we did.
And we appreciate it. Now let's settle down.
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
He wasn't bitten.
Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now.
Over my dead body.
We'll dig one hole.
No! I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
Lee, what do we do about this guy?
Let's talk
Dad,
this down.
it's just a boy. It's...
Lily, I'll handle this.
But your heart, Dad. You need to calm down.
We reason with him.
With the bloody end of an axe handle, maybe. Nobody threatens my boy.
Everyone chill the fuck out! Nobody is doing anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking matter. But right now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things.
What the hell are you talking about?
He's bitten!
No, he's
That's
not.
how you turn!
He's not bitten. Lee, stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
Dad, we get it. It's a big deal.
It's Larry, right? Man, this is his son.
Look around, dumbass. I got a daughter in here. You got a daughter in here. Get your head out of your ass, boy.
We've all got people in here. We can figure this out without killing anybody. There's another way.
Yeah, with a shovel.
I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee,
Yeah?
there's someone in there.
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter.
Probably.
Probably.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter.
No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid.
He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch.
She won't.
And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, when she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl.
It's a little boy. I think we can handle it.
A little boy? He'll be an uncontrollable man-eater.
It's not gonna happen.
It is. And we're tossing him out now.
No! You don't touch that boy. You don't touch anybody. I've got a little girl I'm trying to protect in here, too. You want to get violent, you old fuck? Well, come on! You better have a plan to kill me, though, because it's me before anyone else in here!
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Jesus!
Clementine!
No. Clem, I gotta protect Clem. No, I'm gonna go protect that child. That is my child!
You son of a bitch!
That is my little girl. That is my little girl. You ain't gonna do shit to my little girl. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank God.
She okay?
She's a good shot. Holy
Just
fuck.
great, thanks.
Guys?
Everybody down. Stay quiet.
They're gonna get in. Shut up.
Is that the military?
I don't know.
Thank God for whatever it is.
Yeah.
We almost died because of this bitch and her itchy trigger finger. That was stupid. That was...
Dad!
Oh.
What's wrong with him?
It's his heart.
My pills.
Nitroglycerin pills?
Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
We'll get in there somehow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Everyone else should
hopefully.
get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
Then I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
You know your way around? Local?
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot. Hopefully, you won't need it.
Yeah.
Cool. Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot, and I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
What are you messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work, though.
Here, let me have a look.
Let's press the power button.
Nothing.
Let's turn it around. Press on this. Yeah, this should... There's no
There are no
batteries.
batteries in this thing.
What now?
You know that there are no batteries in that thing.
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah. No.
I can try to find some. Needs two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
Central High-Tech State. Paper's a week old. Feels like years.
Yeah, it really does feel like a lot longer than it is.
It's not damaged. Glad this place didn't get looted.
Ooh, piece of candy. Anything around here that I can grab? Yeah, there was.
Hey there.
Hi.
Can I, get you anything?
I'm okay. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
I'll see about that.
Shadow, you okay? I hear you squeaking.
So,
Are you okay?
what? Yeah, I'm fine. I just, I'm good.
That's good.
It's good to be
Yeah,
good,
I
right?
think so. Being good is good, despite the circumstances.
Squeak,
Yep.
squeak.
Any word from Glenn?
Nothing. Is he okay?
Oh yeah.
I think so. You're doing a good job. Well, sit tight.
Okay.
Gonna give you a piece of candy.
It's not much, but here you go.
Thank you.
Of course.
That's actually adorable. You took care of Clem.
How's he doing?
Squeakers?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry. I was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. And that violence before with my dad, that didn't help.
No. You from here?
You're from here?
I work at Warner Robins, the Air Force Base.
Yeah, I know it. Pilot?
Nah, just mechanical admin stuff. I deal with a bunch of shitheads and bureaucrats all day. Sometimes a plane, if I'm lucky. You?
I work up at UGA. What's wrong with him?
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just trying to keep him relaxed.
He's got a temper.
Ah, fuck you.
Yeah, he doesn't mean it.
It's just that...
Yeah?
Never mind. I'm sure he's a good guy.
He is. He just has his issues. Where's her mom?
Savannah, I think.
Oh, you guys aren't together.
Oh, no, I'm not her dad. I found her in a house when getting out of Atlanta. She'd been surviving by herself. I think the girl's parents didn't make it.
Oh.
I heard an answering message. They were in Savannah. She was home with a sitter. It wasn't good.
Well, she's lucky to have you.
No, she's not.
Was anyone here when you guys got here?
No, this place was pretty wrecked. We pulled a couple of bodies out of the office. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you know anybody here?
Yeah, the owners, we were close.
I'm sorry. We found an older couple in the office. Dad hauled them out in case they weren't really dead.
What do you think about all this?
What is there to think? The dead are up, walking around, eating people, and turning them into more of them. I mean, Jesus.
We need to stick together and get through this.
I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good. It's not much, but here.
You sure?
Yeah. You're under quite a bit of stress.
Thanks. That's, really sweet.
Don't mention it.
I need to check this place out. Oh, Clem's with me. Yeah. Yeah, got a little Clem. Oh, that sounds so bad. I'm so happy.
Think about them in here. This door leads to the back alley. My parents came in here hoping to survive, but it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe, or a protector at least. There's a photo over there.
Find anything?
It's a photo of the family who own this place. Might help us track down the keys to the office.
I know who you are. You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy. Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
No, I've been sticking to first names for a reason.
Well, good. You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. You've got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good, because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
Thanks.
Don't worry about it.
Well, gotta kind of put hope for the best.
First aid kit.
Gotta kind of trust her on this. Oh! What's that? Oh, okay.
What's that?
This was my dad's cane. He'd zip around here on it from time to time.
Was he sick?
No.
Nah, he was okay. I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. This cane's protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool. Like you and your hat.
My dad gave it to me.
See, dads are smart like that.
Let's move.
Better get this door clear, huh?
Can I help?
That is such a cute
Sure.
kid. Oh my god.
Here we go. Watch your fingers in the drawers.
This kid,
How are you
I will
doing?
protect her with my life.
Yeah, it's not that heavy.
How about with everything outside?
It's not good.
No, it's not.
But I think it'll be okay.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Those facial expressions.
Do you have kids?
No.
No.
You don't have a family?
Let's not talk about that. Do you play sports?
I play soccer, but I don't really like it.
Aw.
I'm not crazy about it either. All right, a little further.
Why don't you want to talk about your family? Do they, like, hate you?
Because they're dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You didn't know.
I'm just sorry for being mean.
You're not mean, oh
Family's
my
gone, and
gosh.
I just wish things would have been different.
Yeah.
I got into a fight once,
And what happened?
and it ended really badly. And after that, I wasn't allowed to talk to my family.
That's so sad.
Let's move this thing.
Ow!
No! Oh,
Okay.
I
Clem!
hurt my finger.
Is it bleeding?
A little.
Oh no! Let's go and help you out with this. Oh.
I'll find you a bandage.
Yeah, let's do that. There's bandage
There's a
in here.
band-aid in there, I bet.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, let's go grab that. Here. My adorable little thing. My little Clem.
Let's have a look at that finger. Ow.
It hurt.
Let's see if we can do something about it.
Yeah.
Let's get this cut covered up.
Yes, please.
This is such a cute kid.
Lee,
Yeah?
what if my parents come home and I'm not there?
They'll, track us down. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. We should keep a lookout.
Yeah.
I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Mm-hmm.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
Let's open this up. See what's in here. Oh, you know what?
It's the remote to my dad's TV.
Let's grab that.
It's locked. We
Dang.
need to track down the keys if we're gonna help Larry.
Yeah.
That's what I figured.
Yep. Let's leave for now.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay. Lee,
Yeah?
you're not bad, right?
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
Oh my gosh.
No, he wasn't.
Oh. Was he bad?
He was.